Welcome to our video on digital competitive strategy. We are moving from simple tactical execution, like just asking how do we sell online, to building a sustainable advantage by asking, why can we keep winning? Consider the story of Gloviet. They gained traction through TikTok and competitive pricing, but rivals copied their entire model within 6 months. This shows that viral videos and promotions are just tactics, not a true competitive advantage. The real test for an advantage is this: could a well-funded rival reproduce it in 12 months? Tactics, operational improvements, purchased followers, or licensed tools are easily copied. Only structural advantages truly last. In this video, we will learn to separate tactics from advantages, analyze the 6 core sources of digital advantage, assign strategic roles to your channels, and finally, choose the right competitive weapons to lead your market. We will explore 3 frameworks to help clarify your strategy: the 3 levels of advantage, the 6 sources of digital advantage, the 6 channel roles, and 8 competitive weapons. Remember, the advantage itself is often invisible to the customer. We are now diving into the 6 sources of digital advantage, ranging from network effects and switching costs to data advantage, scale, trust, and infrastructure. Before finalizing your strategy, run your claims through 3 filters. Can a competitor buy it? Does it grow with scale? And what exactly would a customer lose if they left? First, network effects. Value must flow across participants, creating liquidity. Remember, audience reach that can be bought with ads is not a structural network effect. Second, switching costs. The best form is value-based retention, where the customer loses accumulated benefits by moving, rather than just forcing them to stay through friction. Third, data advantage. Data is only an asset if it creates a loop that improves the user experience and informs better business decisions. Fourth, fifth, and sixth sources are scale, trust, and ecosystem. These only provide an advantage if fixed costs dominate, trust is earned through delivery, and services reinforce one another. Now let's look at the 6-channel role strategy. We need to move beyond channel wars and treat our channels as a portfolio, where each has a unique, primary purpose. Every channel has a job. TikTok acts as a discovery engine. Shopee handles search and conversion. Your website manages data. Stores build trust. CRM handles repeat business. And AI agents interface with decisions. Understand the difference between demand creation and demand capture. TikTok creates new interest, while marketplaces capture existing intent. Do not judge both by the same last-click metric. Finally, consider AI agents as a new channel. You must design for machines, not just humans. Stay mindful of platform dependency. Build your own assets while leveraging marketplaces for scale. Now, let's explore the 8 competitive weapons, the customer-facing reasons they choose you. Remember, competition is rarely just about price. Focus on picking only 2 or 3 of these weapons for your strategy. First is price. While a clear promise, it is easily copied. True price leadership is only durable if it rests on a fundamentally lower cost base, not just temporary margin sacrifices that competitors can match. Second is selection. A wide assortment helps end a customer's search, but beware of choice overload. Adding items that nobody searches for is just tying up your working capital in dead inventory. Third is convenience, doing less work. Convenience is measured by the number of steps removed from a task. Over time, saved preferences in history create switching costs that are very difficult for rivals to imitate. Fourth is speed. Whether in delivery, response, or search, speed is a weapon only if it changes buying behavior enough to cover its cost. Otherwise, it is just an expensive, irrational feature. Fifth is trust. Since customers can't inspect goods online, trust removes perceived risk. It is built through reliable operations over time and is easily destroyed by a single bad customer experience. Sixth is experience. This covers the entire journey, from discovery to after-sales service. A superior experience is measured by the meaning it provides to the customer and the resulting repeat engagement. Seventh is community. True community requires active participation and shared value among members. A large follower count without interaction is merely reach, not a strategic community weapon. Finally, eighth is intelligence or personalization. This turns data into relevance. Avoid assuming AI is the advantage itself. The true edge lies in the proprietary data and workflows that power your personalization models. To summarize, don't confuse tactics with advantages. Clearly define your primary job for each channel and ensure each chosen competitive weapon is tied to an asset or capability that you actually own. We leave you with this challenge. Compare 2 companies, one with copyable features and one with years of built-up trust. Which is more competitive, and how would you prove it?